Our fixture is starting to look complete. We've imported our workpieces, we've created a base plate, we've added supports, and then we've subtracted our workpieces from those supports. Now it's time to look at additional elements, such as clamps, labels, holes, and cutouts. FixtureMate has a library of clamps already included that you'll find in many manufacturing environments. And this library is set to expand over time, so you don't have to waste time designing them from scratch. Let's use this one. When the crosshairs appear, just click the point of your workpiece that you want it to be clamped at. A clamp and a support pillar will automatically generate, pointing towards the center. This needs a little bit of fine-tuning, so just click the center dot to bring up the gizmo control to transform and rotate. Just like in the previous video, we'll need to add mountings to the support base of the clamp. The method here is exactly the same. Because there's some interferences between the mounting points, we might need to readjust some mounting points from other support elements as well. And there we are. There are still some optional elements to add, such as text labels. There are lots of reasons to use text labels on fixtures, and FixtureMate makes it simple to create them. They're also easy to read on the final 3D printed item. To create a text label, click Set Labels, enter your text and adjust the size if you like, and then simply click and drag to set the text position. Just like other elements, there are parameters you can configure. You can change the position of the text by clicking and dragging, and you can even decide whether the text is embossed or engraved. FixtureMate makes it easy to repeat actions quickly by using the spacebar. Just hit the spacebar and you can position the same label without having to input the text again. This can be a really handy feature, for example if you have really long product codes to remember. Besides text labels, another optional element we can add are holes and cutouts. These can be useful if you need to add mounting hardware into your fixture, if you need to remove material in a certain area, or if you need to route wiring through your fixture. As always, there are multiple reasons, and FixtureMate simplifies the process. Let's create a simple hole. When we click into this, we can define the diameter and the length. When the crosshairs appear, just click the surface we want the hole to appear on. As always, if we need to edit the parameters after setting the hole, we can in the left-hand menu. Let's add a cylinder cutout now. Once again, we define the parameters and then use the crosshairs to set the position. We can edit the parameters of this in the left-hand menu or by using the gizmo controller. Another useful feature is Cut to Surface. You can right-click on a cutout element, select this option, and then click the surface you want it to cut down to. Similar to the other elements, you can right-click your cutout elements and uncheck Show to hide them. Now that our optional elements are placed, if we show our workpieces and clamp, our fixture is now ready. Now all we need to do is export it for 3D printing. We'll cover this, plus all the options available, in the next video.